Come on, let's go. Come on, come on. We're all done here. You need a ride?
We can walk to my house and then I'll give you a ride to yours.
Thanks, we'll be okay.
Will we?
Yeah, we'll be all right.
I mean, oh, Frank. God, it's not only horrible, but can you feel how vicious it was?
Easy. Okay, easy. Let's just take a step back. All right, he was behind Ashley and Ashlyn on the ride, but there was no ladder here. You know, there was no rope. Nothing in that picture pointed to this. We were wrong about the photos.
I should have left town. It's better not knowing.
No, it's never better staying ignorant. Willful ignorance is surrendering control.
Why did you read that somewhere in Mrs. Brooks' English class?
No. I'm not the total idiot you think I am.
Okay, that's Lewis after Frank. Then Ian and Aaron.
There's a couple kids behind him, but I can't make him out because this guy's arm's in the way. Can you? Oh, you know what? We'll ask Lewis, Ian, and Aaron if they remember. Okay? Are there any more pictures from the roller coaster?
I guess that kind of thing is gonna happen to us the rest of our lives.
Yeah, I was gonna ask her to marry me. Right after graduation.
No, wait. Look, behind Stacy. That's Frank. This picture shows how he died.
All right, go back to Lewis.
Okay, he's got that hammer. And the weight looks like it's coming down on his head.
No, but check this out. Right now, Lewis is down at State for football training camp. State's team is called the Sultans. That's it. That's the clue.
We have to tell him. Show him these pictures. Wouldn't you want to know?
With these pictures of us in there?
Yeah, of course.
No, I don't want to see mine. No.
What about willful ignorance?
Well, I'm full of shit, all right? I mean, I never thought I could see my own death before it happened, Wendy. No, you know what? We can tell Lewis, but seriously, if there's any way to beat this thing, I gotta stay focused. And if I look at that picture, all I'm gonna do is obsess. So, you know what? No, I don't want to see it. I mean, unless we have to.
You mean until we have to?
One more thing. Is it bad? I mean, is it like painful or embarrassing? I mean, there's nothing like up my ass or anything, right?
I'll see you tomorrow.